Okay, we have a Hardinge HLV-EM Super Precision Tool Room Lathe. Serial number HLVH 10981T. We're going to run her for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability. You have a 5C lever type collet closer with a Hardinge tapered spindle. Right now we're running in the low RPM. You can see it's variable. There's the high RPM. You have from 125 up to 3,000 RPM. Machine has a Newall 2-axis digital readout that works inch metric. Right now we're feeding. You can see it on the digital readout. Feeding the cross. You can also see on the digital readout. You can reverse it. You can see that also on the digital readout. And there you go, reverse the carriage. Also great. We're engaging the gearbox. That's the threading, the reverse of the threading. The tailstock, number 2 Morse taper. You have an Albright keyless chuck in there. You have a number two Morse taper. You also have a 3-jaw chuck that goes with it. You have a quick change Allura's tool post with some holders. Oh, and there's the cam for when you're threading to pull out the top. Yep, there's your cam. Okay. You can see your compound that doesn't have any hits in it. That's an inch metric dial on your compound. Oh, open the doors, and there's some collets. All right, machine has a super smooth bed. Hey, thank you for watching our video.